Welcome to Bubblelina's adventure.
As you all may know, Easter is coming up.
So we are thinking to make the thorns on Jesus' crown when he was crucified. Let us introduce the ingredients. So first we've got these cookies, and then we've got these pretzel sticks, and then we have this chocolate that will later melt. So we have these pretzel sticks and the melted chocolate. So first we're gonna put a little bit melted chocolate on our cookie.
Now you can break the pretzel sticks and make a little crown of thorns like this. For this snack, you can also use cookies, which will work just as well.
So here we have the crown that we made out of food. It's delicious. But what this crown really means is, do you remember the story? So basically when he was getting crucified, the people just wanted him to feel like a little bit more like hurt. So they put on this thorn crown on him, and they put a sign that said the King of the Jews, not because they actually believed, because they were trying to mock him. That's true, Amber. Well, can we try it now? Of course, let's dig in. All the flavors blend together. The saltiness, the sweetness, you guys should definitely try this. It's delicious. You should try it.
This is a super fun and easy snack to make. Remember when you're enjoying it that Jesus died for us to wash away our sins. In our next video, we will be making a snack for resurrection. Stay tuned!
One is ingredients. Jinx, double jinx, triple jinx, quadruple jinx.